Yes. Hey guys, we're on our we're on our way to Jamaica, Mom.
I'm going home.
Yes.
So you guys stay tuned. But oh, I'm so excited for the trip. Oh my God, she haven't sleep, eh? Yeah, we're about to spend some nice time in Jamaica and yeah, get away from this place for a minute, man. I was depressed and
Missing your baby,
yeah, missing my baby.
not me, his son.
Yeah, so going for my little boy and you know the drift. So yeah, she's waiting now to get on that vessel, that big ass vessel. I will stay with you.
On our way to
Stay with
town.
you through your ups and your downs. Yeah, 5 hours flight. I
5 hours. And then 6 o'clock tomorrow morning we'll arrive in Toronto and then we go to Jamaica.
Yes, so we're on our way. Can't wait. It's been 1 year, a couple months.
Yeah, over a year.
Yeah, so can't wait for all the festivities, for the beautiful sunshine, the warm weather, the food.
We've got a whole list of stuff we're gonna do and lots of things we're gonna vlog. Babe, we got us coffee. Stop Jamaica!